Welcome back to Abby's Tech channel. Hope you are fine. Now in this video we have a look of Theta Network. What's the price prediction, what's the price change, what's the high price, and what is the best time to buy, sell or hold Theta Network. In this video I'm going to show you with a live proof. So before starting this interesting video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Now let's start this brand video. If you don't subscribe, so please subscribe, please subscribe. As you can see now on the screen, that is a live price prediction of Theta Network in the previous last 2 hours. If we see the chart analysis of Theta Network, as you can see here, they are continuously jumping upward, but now currently at this time, if we see, they are in the fast currently at this time. So friends, if we see the average level change of the theta, so the average change of theta is about positive 0.64% change occur in the theta in the previous last 2 hours, and the high price of the Theta Network is about $11.59 is the high price of theta in the previous last 2 hours. Friends, that is the live price prediction of previous last 2 hours. Now let's see the last 1 hour price prediction. After that we decide that it's time to buy, sell or hold Theta Network. According to the price prediction we decide it. So friends, that is the live price prediction of Theta Network in the previous last 1 hour. So friend, if we see the chart analysis of theta, so they take a jump, and now currently at this time, oh my goodness, absolutely good change. As you can see here, they are again ready for a jump. So friends, the one talk is clear that they fast down and take a jump, fast down, as you can see here, fast down, take a jump. So why they are false for a later time? Because of one reason. As you know, it is today is 4th April and it is the start of the new month. Today it is the start of April, that is why they falls down for a later time. So it is clear, don't worry about the falls of theta. As you can see here, the average change of theta positive 0.05% are absolutely good change, and the high price of theta is about $11.59. So friends, if we see the price prediction of previous last 1 hour, last 2 hours, both are in positive. So friends, one talk is clear that the theta is in positive mood and the previous last 1 hour, 2 hour, friends. So my suggestion for all of theta holders, that hold your theta with the end of this month, hold it. My suggestion, that's only my suggestion. I'm not ordering you, that's your choice. You want to buy, sell or hold. I'm only share my opinion, my suggestion for all of theta holders. That's my suggestion, hold theta, because soon their big jump are coming soon, because they are now currently under jumping, and soon they take a high jump and they will make you a millionaire. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel and also share your opinion about theta in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video.